Hi, my name is Lynn Thompson, and for those of you that don't know me, I'm the president of Cold Steel Incorporated and the chief instructor of our training division. This afternoon, I want to talk to you about our holdout series. First, I want to start with our 3-inch blade. This 3-inch holdout is probably the best 3-inch blade folder that you can buy in the world. Certainly that's my opinion, but I'll tell you why I make such a bold statement. The knife only weighs 2.5 ounces. It's got a beautifully machined G10 handle with 3 holes that allow your fingers to get into those holes and get a great grip. The other thing is, despite its lightweight, I can get all 4 fingers and I can get a great hammer fist grip on this handle. For such a diminutive knife, I can get all my fingers on there for maximum leverage when I'm cutting. It also has jimping here on the spine and on the lock bar here, so I can get a great thumb reinforced grip. It has an acute point, so it pierces like a hot knife through butter. This is our serrated